Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you closet organization hacks to maximize your closet space. A great way to organize your necklaces so they won't tangle and for easy viewing is by using a clothing hanger. Also, placing your bracelets and rings around the hook of the hanger is a great way to keep your jewelry organized. You can place a hanger in your clothing rack or on your wall for a pretty look. Knotting your scarves on a clothing hanger is a great way to keep them nice and organized instead of piling them up in a drawer. Placing your hats on a hanger keeps them organized and makes it easy to view each style cap. Placing your sunglasses on a hanger helps keep them from getting scratched, plus it also helps make it easy to view which style you would like to wear. Placing a can opener tab on 2 hanger hooks creates more space for clothes in your closet and your clothing rack. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned next time for more how to and style.